Hello guys, this is my reflection, chapter 7. The topic for today is purchasing as part of supply chain management. Purchasing in the hospitality industry. In the hospitality industry, purchasing is a critical function that directly impacts operational efficiency, cost management, guest satisfaction, and service quality. It involves acquiring a variety of goods and services ranging from food and beverage to linen, furniture, cleaning supplies, and maintain service. Effective purchasing helps ensure the hotel, restaurant, or resort runs smoothly, offering high-quality services while maintaining profitability. In the first is storage capacity and item perishability for food items and supplier delivery scheduling, potential savings from increased purchase size and operating calendar. Then last, relative importance of stock outcomes. Forecasting techniques. Forecasting methods come in many forms. The process that will work best from the business must be decided by the cost of forecast preparation of necessary accuracy. There must be a cost-benefit analysis between these two sectors to get the optimum outcomes. The first is naive. 2. Moving average. 3. Exponential smoothing. The 4 is linear regression. And 5. Multiple regression. And 6. Just in time. And the last, par level. Purchasing objectives. First, maintain an adequate supply. 2. Minimize investment. 3. Maintain quality. 4. Maintain company's competitive position. And organization and administration of purchasing. The first is planning, organization, staffing, training, budgeting, directing, controlling. Hey, thank you for watching. See you in my next reflection.